Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, another special recipe, tasty veggie chow mein. So friends, on this channel I bring you guys the most simplest recipe you can put together in a little time. So please take a moment to subscribe and welcome. So friends, for this recipe, these are some of the ingredients that you're going to need. Do keep in mind I will leave a full list of ingredients and measurement below so you can always check it out. So friends, in today's video, I will share with you one of the most simplest way how to make perfect boiled chow mein without clumping together. First thing first, you want to go ahead and add a tablespoon of oil to your pot of boiling water. Next, you want to go ahead and add your chow mein and cook for a minute or two. So friends, to receive perfectly cooked chow mein or noodles each time, by just using my simple step, by just adding a bit of oil. Next, friend, in a heated pot, I'm just going to go right ahead and add 2 tablespoons of oil and also chop garlic and stir fry for a few seconds. So friends, after stir fry my garlic for a few seconds, next I'm going to go right ahead and add my chopped veggies and just stir fry them for a few minutes. So friends, for this recipe you certainly can use any mixed veggies of choice. So my friend, if you enjoy my cooking, please consider subscribing for more easy video recipe. This recipe also 100% vegan friendly. This looks amazing. After a few minutes, next I'm going to go right ahead and add my boiled noodles and just stir fry it for a few minutes. So friend, as mentioned earlier, you can find a full list of ingredients and measurement below, so you can always check it out. So friends, for taste and flavor, a pinch of Chowmein seasoning and also soy sauce. So my friend, how easy was that? Under 5 minutes, you can certainly know how to make this perfect veggie chow mein at home in no time. If you enjoyed the video recipe, please subscribe for more great videos. This will help us improve and bring you more easy video recipe. At this point, we are all done. Vegetable Chowmein recipe